My wish is to reduce the amount of plastic waste in the ocean. So when I started diving, I see a lot of bits of plastic being ingested by fish and even turtles. So I really wanted to do something for our Hong Kong shoreline. So I really wanted everyone to help to collect trash like this and reduce the amount of plastic in our sea.
It's fantastic when we have groups of volunteers coming out to help clean the beach. There's way too much plastic washing in on our beaches from the ocean, but when people come and actually see the problem, they take action to clean it up, but they also understand that their behavior is contributing to this problem. So hopefully we'll see that people are using less plastic after they come to do a beach cleanup.